Hello traders, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart, June 1st, weekly option expiry day. During this expiry day, after 1:30, sell call generated. Sell call came at sell at 44,208. In this chart, automatically you will receive buy or sell call in live market. So it's a live market signal generator. Whenever market trend changes, you will receive calls like this. You just need to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Like that it works. Today sell call generated, so red color candle open. Sell at 44,208. That open point of the red color candle, that is our entry point line. Can you see that straight white line from red color candle? Entry point line. Below are first target, second target lines. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is a 100-point target range, to be exact 110 point. Second target is a 200 point range. Every day we recommend first target on standard basis. After 4 minutes of sell call generated, market moving downside, 80 point momentum happened. After 30 minutes only, it successfully achieved the first target range, 44,098 range breakout after 30 minutes of sell call momentum. Like this today call generated and break out the target. For plan detail, for chart subscription details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.